Okay, this is Rushan. I'm going to do the Butterfly Minibadge for 2025 SAINTCON. I actually did this twice. Silk screen turned out pretty interesting on these. The end product will look like this. Nicely put together. Get the option of flashing or doing normal. If you go to the arrow, it will flash. If you go to JP1, it will just stay solid. Very basically, you'll have 4 header stands, one 6.8 ohm resistor, one pink LED, then all you need is a little stand. This year I did a name badge, really cool, 3D print case and custom aspects with it, using this as my stand. Test it afterwards. So with this one, you want to use the ground, the 2, and then the clock pin. So it'll look like that, facing you. I'm going to go in 1 from the top, and then the corner, and then 2 in the other corner. But before we get to that, you need your tweezers, a soldering iron, some solder. Let's take the resistor is small, so do be careful not to lose it. If you do end up losing it, you could jump the pads there. It'll still work, but not ideal. And like always, make sure that you tin your tip before you get going. Get that nice shiny soldering iron tip. A little blob there. This one, you're going to do solid. So I'll do that side there. Zoom in a little bit here. Let you see that. There, so if you do it there, it's solid. And then if you do it on the other side like this, it will flash. Okay. Very careful with the resistor. And just tag it on. And tag the other side here. Really easy to be done. And for the LED, you have the short legs and the long legs. Short leg goes through the square hole. Also do make sure that the pins are not too close together. You keep them separated. And then I like to pre-bend it, so it goes like that. Once I have that, I come on here and just tag one side. As it often will move a bit when you're first doing I like to reposition it a bit. Get it right in. Let's go out a little bit while I do this. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. So you go into it. Once you get it kind of lined up right, you can also just bend these leads over to hold it in place. And just kind of top them off here. Make them look pretty good. And then you'll need your wire cutters. Just go through, chop them right at about the top. Your solder point there. If you want to make it look a little bit nicer, you can just go in after you're cutting and just touch it briefly with your iron. Just tap it up, make sure there's enough flux on there so it doesn't go off. And then you want to put on your header there. And solder. Well, doesn't take much time. Let's get those joints. Let's look at it. It's really good. And when done, come out a bit. Your power source, and connect it. There you go. That is how to put together the Butterfly Minibadge. Really simple, not too many parts. Nice pink color. Go in, zoom in on that. Yeah, it's very pretty. And then if you want it blinking, I pre-did the blinking one. Blinking looks like that. There you go. Thanks for watching.